Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic science, we are going to be looking at skeletal and muscular system. Okay? Our topic for today in basic science, it's on skeletal and muscular system. Are you ready for the lesson? Okay. Our body has a skeleton and muscles that work together for support and movement. Okay, so we're going to be looking at parts of the human skeletal system. Okay, parts of human skeletal system. In the human skeletal system, there are two main parts. The axial skeleton contains the skull, which protects the brain. Okay, the vertebral column supports the body and protects the spinal cord. Rib cage shields vital organs like the heart and the lungs. Okay, another part of the human skeletal system is the appendicular skeleton. It has the limbs, allow for movement and manipulation. Girdles connect limbs to the axial skeleton. Okay, so we said we have two parts of the human skeletal system: axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Okay, the axial skeleton is like the body's central support system, and it includes the skull, which protects the brain with bones like the cranium and jaw. Then the vertebral column, it supports your body and protects the spinal cord. And the rib cage, the rib cage protects your organs like the heart and lungs, right? Good. So you can think of the axial skeleton as your body's central core, okay? Providing support, protection, and the structure for your head, spine, and chest. Do you understand? The appendicular skeleton is like your body's limbs and connections, okay? And it includes the limbs, allow for movement, right? Then the girdles. The shoulder girdle supports your arms. Then the pelvic girdle, your hip bones, connects your spine to your legs. Okay? So the appendicular skeleton is all about your arms, legs, the connections that help you move and do things. Okay? Do we understand? So we've looked at the two parts of the human skeletal system, right? The axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Okay, so next we're going to be looking at major functions of the skeleton. We have known the parts of the human skeleton. We are going to be looking at the functions of the skeleton. Okay, one of the functions of the skeleton is support. Provides a framework for the body. The skeleton provides a framework that supports and maintains the body's shape. Okay, it provides support. Do we understand? Protection safeguards vital organs. The bones act as a protective shield for vital organs. For example, the skull protects the brain, and the rib cage shields the heart and the lungs, right? So it serves as protection. Movement act as levers for muscle activity. Movement bones, in conjunction with muscles, allow for various types of movements. Joints enable flexibility and motion. Okay? Storage stores minerals like calcium and phosphorus. So the bone serves as a reservoir for essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. These minerals can be released into the bloodstream as needed. Blood cell formation occurs in the marrow. The bone marrow, found within certain bones, is crucial for the production of blood cells, okay? Including the red blood cells, white blood cells, and the platelets. Do we understand? So these are the major functions of the skeleton. Support, protection, movement, storage, blood cell formation. So the skeletal system is important because it helps maintain the body's structure, okay? Protecting vital organs and facilitating movement and overall health. Do we understand? That's good. So we're going to be looking at muscles. Muscles are tissues in the body that have the special ability to contract or shorten and relax. This contraction and relaxation of muscles enable us to move our body parts. Muscles are essential for activities like walking, running, lifting objects, and even smiling. They work in coordination with the skeletal system to create the movements we make every day. Okay? Do we understand? Muscles are like the body's movers. They can get shorter and longer. So this helps us do things like walking, run, and pick up things. So the muscles are what make our body move. Do we understand? Muscles are responsible for movement by contracting and relaxing. Okay? Good. So we're going to be looking at the types of muscles. Okay? Types of muscles. There are three main types of muscles. One, skeletal muscles. Attached to bones, voluntary control. Skeletal muscles. These are attached to bones and help us move voluntarily. For example, when you kick a ball or raise your hand. Okay? Do we understand? Good. Smooth muscles. Involuntary, found in internal organs. Smooth muscles. Found in organs like the stomach and intestines. These muscles work involuntarily to control processes like digestion. Okay? 3. Cardiac muscles. Involuntary, specifically in the heart. Cardiac muscles. Found in the heart. These muscles also work involuntarily to pump blood and keep our hearts beating. Okay? Do we understand? So the three main types of muscles, we have the skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Remember, skeletal muscles are the ones you control, okay? And smooth muscles work in your organs without you thinking about it. Do you understand? And the cardiac muscles keep your heart pumping automatically. Do you understand that? Okay, good. We have explored the different types of muscles, right? So now we're going to be shifting our focus to the joints of little movement. Okay? These joints play a crucial role in providing stability and support to our body. Okay? And there are two main types, fibrous joints and cartilaginous joints. Okay? Fibrous joints, limited movement connected by fibers. Fibrous joints. These joints are connected by strong fibers, okay, allowing limited movement. Examples include the joints between the skull bones. Okay, cartilaginous joints. Slight movement connected by cartilage. Cartilaginous joints connected by cartilage. These joints permit slight movement, okay? An instance is the joints between vertebrae in our spine, offering support while allowing some flexibility. Okay? Do we understand? We're going to be looking at the structure of joints. The structure of the joints refers to how different bones are connected, allowing your body to move. Okay? Joints come in various types, and each with its own way of working. We have the synovial joints. Freely movable, contain synovial fluid. These joints are like the hinges and can move a lot. They have special fluid to keep them working smoothly, okay? Hinge joints permit angular motion. These joints allow movement in one direction, like your knee or elbow bending. Do we understand? It permits angular motion. Ball and socket joints allow a wide range of motion. These joints let you move in many directions, okay? Like your shoulder or hip. Okay? Pivot joints permit rotational movement. These joints allow things to rotate. Your neck has a pivot joint, letting you turn your head. Okay? Do you understand? Good. So today's lesson on skeletal and muscular system, we understood it, right? Okay, that is good. So next we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignments, right? Okay, good.